Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make red velvet cheesecake brownies. Let's get baking! We will need half cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, gel red food coloring, 2/3 cup of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the cheesecake layer, we will need 225 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the melted butter, cocoa powder, sugar, and mix them together. Add the eggs, vanilla extract, and vinegar, and continue mixing. Add in the flour and the salt, now add the red gel food coloring. Add enough until you achieve the desired color. Mix them together until well combined. Scoop about 1/4 cup of the red velvet brownie mixture for later. Pour the remaining mixture into an 8 by 8 inches baking pan lined with parchment paper. Using a spatula, spread it evenly. Then, set this aside. In another bowl, add the cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract. Whisk them together until well incorporated. Pour the cream cheese layer on top of the red velvet brownie layer. And smoothen it evenly. don't worry if there's a bit of bread because it's gonna be part of our design later. Now, spoon dollops of the red velvet brownie mixture all over the cream cheese layer. Using a skewer or a knife, make a swirl pattern to get a marble effect. Bake these in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let it completely cool. Then, chill it in the fridge for about 1 hour before slicing. And here's our finished product! This red velvet cream cheese brownie is so easy to make. It is full of chocolate, tangy cream cheese, and a vibrant red color. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!